But you boo, I say, quam you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say, don't worry. And we go there together. But you boo, I say, quam you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say, don't worry.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back. My name is Saygbah, of course. I'm from West Africa, of course, Liberia. Thank you. The most gorgeous place on the whole planet. So today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I installed this hair, how I did this little soft curls on this hair. Okay, so basically the hair is from LUVME hair. So it's a 5x5 undetectable lace closure. Okay, 5x5 undetectable lace closure, 20-inch. That's it. So this is the box it comes in. It comes in this pack right here. It came in here, and they give you this little travel size kit bag. You can put like your edge brush in there, put your little elastic thing for your hair to hold your hair back if it's in your way. It comes with this little pins, and it comes with this instructions and the return label on how to like take care of your hair, and it comes with this stocking cap. Okay, so that's where the hair is from, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I install it. Okay, it was really easy. I know I always say easy, but best believe me, it's easy. So okay, so that's about it about the hair. And I would say the hair came like brown. You know how it be like brown when you get it out? I like my hair jet black, so I did dye it black. I like my hair, I like black hair. I don't know, I feel like it stand out more, so I just dye it black. So that's how it came out looking like this. That's about it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave comment, and tell me what you like about the video. I have my cap on. I use the bad hairspray and the got to be gel. Again, this is a gel. These you stay in the shower and they come out right away. Okay, now that I have that done, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with my gel. I have this thing open, and I'm gonna do my little thing like right there. Gel it down. Basically, I just use the gel to lay down the edges of the stocking cap so it don't be sticking up. I will do a voice in and out just to be clear. So I just use the gel to stick down the stocking cap after I spray it with the bad hairspray and the gel, just to lay those little parts down, and I just literally blow dry it so I don't feel the gel on it no more. And what I did after that, I just put the wig back on to try it on. It's dry, put the foundation on it, put it back on. You see how everything just blended into my skin? That's the look you're going for. Make sure everything is settled on your head. And after that, to be honest, I just pull it way back, then apply my gel on the edges where I want the closure to be, basically on my perimeter of the lace. That's why I just apply everything then watch me do it. So guys, before I apply the wig, after I put a foundation on, I use alcohol to make sure I basically clean my edges, make sure there's no makeup on it before I start applying the gel. Okay, make sure you clean your edges and there is no makeup on your edges, because if there's makeup on it, it's going to be harder for your lace to lay without having like those tacky snooky stuff on it, and you're gonna run into trouble. So I try to make sure I clean it with alcohol spray before I do that. If I don't have alcohol spray, I just use water. Then I apply the gel, then put the wig back on. It was a closure, so trust me, it was pretty easy and straightforward. Okay, yeah, that's what I did for that one. And I like using the comb to push the wig with the lace into the gel. That's what I do. I use that comb to push the lace into the gel so that way it's not too bulky. And after that, I just did my makeup off camera, and yeah, see how the lace look like there is nothing there, but there's still lace there. It's not always gonna be perfect because mine don't always be perfect, so I'm not gonna sit here and try to lie. It's not always gonna be perfect. You just gonna have to keep trying it till you get it right. But the more you keep practicing, the more you get good at it, okay? So that's what I did, and I cut the lace off and used the tip of my small tooth comb and just push the lace into my scalp. And after that, I just blow dry it, use the tip of the comb, push it in, make sure everything is blend and seamless. And I just did my makeup off camera. While I was doing my makeup, another good thing to do to make sure your lace is like super laid, while you're doing your makeup, just tie it up for at least 25 to 30 minutes. It helps lay everything, I promise. Hey guys, so if you watched to the end, I just want to say thanks for staying with me, okay? Thanks for watching. I appreciate the love as usual. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to leave comments. Don't forget to share with somebody that want to watch videos like this, okay? And if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit that bell notification so every time I post a video, we are here together, okay? You don't want to miss out on these looks, okay? My dress is from Opali. Thanks for watching.